In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Wrike, a task management platform that can significantly streamline your workflow through automation. The goal here is to help you save time and increase efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. Let's dive right in and explore step by step how you can set up automation in your Wrike workspace. First, you're going to want to open your web browser and go to the Wrike website. Make sure you're logged into your account because that's the starting point for setting up any automation. Once you're in, locate and open the specific space where you want to set up automation. Spaces in Wrike act like hubs for your projects and tasks, so think strategically about where this automation will be most impactful. Now, in the upper right corner of your workspace, you'll see a gear icon, which represents settings. Click on it. This will take you to the settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your workspace. Among these options, you will find automation. Click there to proceed, and you'll be taken to a dedicated section for managing your automation rules. Next, you'll want to look for a button that says plus custom rule. By clicking this, you'll initiate the process of creating a new automation rule. Wrike recently updated its automation interface, so instead of the word trigger, you might come across phrases like when this happens. What this means is that you are now setting the criteria that will start your automation. This feature is essential because it defines what specific event in Wrike will kick off the automated process you're planning. Think of it like setting a domino effect. When you apply a rule, you're telling Wrike, when X happens, do Y. For example, your trigger could be when the status of a task changes. Let's say you want an action to occur when a task status changes to in review. This change would then start the automation you've set up, acting as the catalyst for whatever follow-up actions you establish. As you specify your rule trigger, consider how it will interact with your workflow. Applying these rules proficiently can greatly impact team productivity. Review which tasks or projects should be included under this rule to ensure the automation acts on the appropriate scope of work and adds real value to your project management process. Remember, setting up automations in Wrike isn't just about clicking through menus. It's an opportunity to reshape your workflow, reduce administrative overhead, and enable your team to focus on more critical tasks. Once you've configured these automations, you'll hopefully notice an uptick in efficiency, ultimately giving you and your team more bandwidth to tackle creative and strategic projects. So that's the basic rundown of how to set up automation in Wrike. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to implement efficient, automated workflows that save time and boost productivity. Happy automating!